With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, find the coordinate of center of mass of lamina shown in the figure. Right, if you see the lamina is this. You can also see the coordinate, right? So you can see the height of this lamina is 3 meter and the width is 2 unit, right? So if I take one unit square like I am taking like 4 square, so you can see there are 4 squares, right? This is of 1 unit and this is also of 1 so the length and width of all the 4 unit is 1. Now we have to find out the center of mass of this whole lamina, right? So you can do one thing. You can assume this whole lamina as, like if you see in the diagram, so you can take it as this whole lamina minus the small lamina which is missing here, this one, right? Okay, so if this lamina was the whole lamina, right, then its center of mass will be at the center of symmetry, that you can see the x coordinate would be 1 and the y coordinate would be 1.5, right? So the center mass of the whole lamina, if the lamina was complete, then it would be somewhere here and the coordinate of this will be 1 comma 1.5, right? And what we have assumed that this lamina is made up of the whole lamina minus the cutted part, right? So minus this part, right? So you can see the cutted part is having a center of mass at the symmetry, right? So you can imagine the symmetry would be like, if this point is T, so at the center, so it will be 1.5 x coordinate, and y coordinate you can see the length is 2, so y coordinate will be 1 only, right? So now you can apply the formula to find out the x and y coordinate of the remaining lamina, right? So you can see the remaining lamina is something like this, right? Okay, so what formula we will use here? So the x coordinate of the center of mass will be m1 x1 minus m2 x2 in division m1 minus m2, and same goes for the y coordinate, right? Since we subtracted the mass, we took the full mass and we cutted a part of it, right? And we know the center of mass of the whole, right? Now you can see the whole lamina was having 6 square, 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? So I will take the mass of this whole lamina as 6m, since I am taking 1 square mass is m, so the whole lamina will have a mass of 6m. And if you see this length is 1 and the this length is 2, right? So this is made up of 2 square, so I will take this mass of 2m, right? So I will just solve it and I will take the masses 6m and 2m respectively, right? And we know the coordinate also. Coordinate of the first lamina is 1 comma 3 by 2 and the second one is having a coordinate of 3 by 2 comma 1, right? So m1 is having a mass of 6m, and the coordinate, if you can see, the m1 is having an x coordinate of 1 and m2 is having a x coordinate of 3 by 2. So I will write this minus 2m. Now if you will see, the x coordinate is 3 by 2, so I will write here 3 by 2. Now subtracting the mass, so I will get 4m. So if you will see, this will get cancelled out, so 6m minus 3m will be 3m by 4m. So you can see this is 0.75. Similarly, you can calculate the y coordinate also. So I will use the same formula for the y coordinate. I will write m1 y1 minus m2 y2 in division m1 minus m2. So the masses will be the same. Now if you see the y coordinates of them, so first one is having 3 by 2 and second one is having 1. So I will just change the y coordinate in the previous formula. So 6m into 3 by 2 is the y coordinate minus 2m into 1 is the y coordinate of the smaller part. In division, 4m is the total mass. So you can see this will get cancelled out by 3. So 9m minus 2m will be 7m. So 7m by 4m. So you can see it will be 7 by 4. Right. So 7 by 4 is 1.75. Now we know the coordinate is 0.75, 1.75. Now you can match your answer. So see, the first option is the correct one. Now you can see the question again. This was our question. We wanted to find out the center of mass of the lamina given in the diagram, and what we have done, we have taken a complete lamina and subtracted the cutted part from this, and we got option 1, 0.75, 1.75 as the coordinate of the remaining lamina. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.